KTM 300 Slovakia edition. We have a lot of work to do, so let's keep going. Hey, what's up guys? Rado here with Dirt and Iron, and there behind me is my 2012 KTM 300 build, Slovakia edition. And today in this video we want to do a lot of work. Some of you complained that I'm milking this project, maybe a little bit, but today it's not a milking video. Today we're gonna do a lot of work. So what we have here, we're gonna build what I call an ultimate cooling combo here. We got stock radiators that were done by ICW. They were braced in the corners, and also right here brace was done, and on this one we got two braces welded on, so this is super strong. Plus we are going to install these bulletproof what do you call these bulletproof guards, and also we have a nice fan kit from Trail Tech. So we're gonna put all that together, build our radiators, and we have way more protection from bulletproof. We are going to take care of our kickstand. This is a Fastway Pro motor billet, and then I want to move on a little bit up and finish my my handlebars. Everything that should be on the handlebars, I want to finish that today. So I'm gonna do my clutch, I'm gonna do the kill switch, the starter. Then we have these nice ODI blue grips that will be matching our colors, and we have some nice Cerakoted stuff for the throttle. And then we're gonna install the carburetor, we're gonna install the clutch, and just kind of move from the handlebars down to the engine. I want to focus on the front of the bike today, so hopefully we're gonna have everything done in the front of the bike. Around the engine we can install a FMF gnarly pipe and just kind of make it look complete, at least somewhat complete in the beginning. Alright, so enough talking, let's get busy. Exhaust flange on KTM's bikes are not the best. The design is kind of weird, and they are prone to break if you hit the rack just right with your exhaust pipe. So I got this Tusk. I'm definitely going to feel a little bit safer with this Tusk protector. Let's put it on.
I don't cry when it rains no more, or I get dirt on my shoes. I don't mind climbing 8 more floors, 'cause these stairs are all heading to you. I don't wait for tomorrow's sunshine when I feel it today. And when it's cold in the dead of winter, remember that snow melts away. One more cold drink, one more roll, one more dance for the doors get closed. Please remember, enjoy the show. Let's get happy before we get old. We don't need plans or a fancy agenda. Well, let's just see where it goes. We got no care for the way people stare at the dust and the dirt on our clothes. Hey, my friend, we'll never say remember when, if we keep on making memories where we stand, where we stand. One more cold drink, one more roll, one more dance for the doors get closed. Please remember, enjoy the show. Let's get happy before we get old. And go put on that old wedding dress now. Probably still fits like a glove. And tell the band to play one more slow song, 'cause you still have all my love. One more cold drink, one more roll, one more dance for the doors get closed. Please remember, enjoy the show. Let's get happy before we get old. One more cold drink, one more roll, one more dance for the doors get closed. catching bass on an old fishing boat. One more story from Grandpa Joe. Let's get happy before we get old. Dream big, 'cause boy, you're gonna make it. Stand tall, there's a higher road to take it. Let go of everything that you know and be wild in the mystery. Yeah. I've been in the darkness for 40 days. I've been searching for holy flames, a sign to light up the way. So can you help me out? Can you help me out? I've been more certain of truth before. I've been called a righteous man before. Yeah, I've been closer to Jesus before. So can you help me out? Oh, can you help me out? Am I on my own? Am I on my own? Or can you help me out? Am I on my own? Am I on my own? Or can you help me out? Can you help me out? I've been scared to look in my soul. I've been afraid I would follow the road. Yeah, afraid of the things I've been told. So can you help me out? Oh, yeah. Can you help me out? Am I on my own? Am I on my own? Or can you help me out? Am I on my own? Am I on my own? Or are you speaking now? Are you speaking now? Oh, I think I can feel you say, dream big, 'cause boy, you're gonna make it. Stand tall, there's a higher road you're taking. Let go of everything that you know and be wild in the mystery. Dream big, 'cause boy, you're gonna make it. Stand tall, there's a higher road you're taking. Let go of everything that you know and be wild in the mystery. Yeah. Oh, come on, come on. Be wild in the mystery. Yeah. Oh, you gotta let go, let go, let go. And be wild, be wild. They say it was truth that I was sold. But the trouble with truth is it just don't get old. There's a gravity to grace I can't escape. And the trouble with grace, it gives more than it takes. Yeah, I need grace that gives more than it takes. There's a wildfire that's burning in my soul. So baptize me in that fire and let me go. I can hear the silence calling me to leave behind what's dead and be born again. Oh, I need to be born again. I need to be born again. locked inside. I'm seeing colors that I've never seen. Yeah, black and white feels Oz absurdity. I can't live with eyes of certainty. There's a wildfire that's burning in my soul. So baptize me in that fire and let me go. I can hear the silence calling me to live. To leave behind what's dead and be born again. Oh, I need to be born again. I need to be born again. Leaving behind empty expectations, letting go of personas I've perfected, leaving behind the bullets that I bury with, letting go of the anger that I'm armored with, and I'm letting go. And I'm letting go. There's a wildfire that's burning in my soul. So baptize me in that fire and let me go. I can hear the silence calling me to live. To leave behind what's dead and be born again. Oh, I need to be born again. I need to be born again. Oh, I need to be born again. I need to be born again. They say it was true that I was sold, but the trouble with truth is it just don't get old. Dream big, 'cause boy, you're gonna make it. Stand tall, there's a higher road to take it. Let go of everything that you know and be wild in the mystery. Yeah. I've been in the darkness for 40 days. I've been searching for holy flames, a sign to light up the way. So can you help me out? Can you help me out? I've been more certain of truth before. I've been called a righteous man before. Yeah, I've been closer to Jesus before. So can you help me out? Oh, can you help me out? Am I on my own? Am I on my own? Or can you help me out? Am I on my own? Am I on my own? Or can you help me out? Can you help me out? I've been scared to look in my soul. I've been afraid I would follow the road. Yeah, afraid of the things I've been told. So can you help me out? Oh, yeah.
Alright my friends, I think that's enough for today. I hope you're not gonna say that I'm milking this build in this video, because we did a lot of work and we spent a lot of time in the garage. Wiring, connecting, wiring, everything. This took a lot of time. I had to go back and check my old pictures, my old videos on my phone to make sure that I am connecting everything correctly. I am routing everything correctly. I did something one way, but actually it was supposed to be from the other side. So you will never remember how it was 4 months ago when you took the bike apart. So I highly suggest you take bunch of pictures, bunch of videos, follow the routing of the wires, of the cables, everything with your phone, so when you are putting it back together, you know what you are doing. So right now we have everything connected. We have our fan, our radiators, our guards. We have everything up here on the handlebars. Everything is here. The throttle wars, carburetor is there, clutch, brakes, shifter, kickstarter, and all these things. Everything is tied in the front right here. So I think we accomplished a lot today. That's pretty much all I wanted to do today. And also we have a kickstand. So in the next video, man, what are we gonna do next time? I don't know, maybe we can try to start it next time. I don't know, we're still missing the airbags and the subframe. Then I'm gonna just connect these wires. They go to battery and just a little bit of here. Majority is done with wiring, so we're just gonna do that, do the airbags, new air filter, fill all the fluids, and put the new battery in and see if this button works. So maybe probably next time we can do that, and then after that we can just finish everything up and do the graphics and everything. Alright guys, well, I'm getting excited. I'm a little bit tired. It's midnight now, so maybe I'm speaking a little bit slower than normal, but yeah, I'm super excited. The bike is looking awesome. I love the contrast. I love everything we have here so far. It's coming together nicely. Let me know below in the comments what you think about this build, about this video, and don't forget guys, whatever you do, stay motivated. See you guys later.